I'm back again with my 1999 Lexus LX470. This Lexus Land Cruiser that I bought for only $2,100 that had 350,000 miles on it. I decided to go nuts and do a full expedition build on this thing, and where we last left off, I just installed a lift kit, with the help of the wizard, of course, and that went terribly. I'm still sore, I'm still beat up, and I really don't want to work on this anymore, but I care way too much about what you guys say in the comment section about me not working on my own car, so here I am. Thankfully, it looks like the wizard's gotten quite a bit of work done already.
A lot of the wiring done and routed. It's probably something that I should probably do for you to make sure it doesn't burn to the ground while you're up in the mountains somewhere.
Yeah. Okay, so that's the winch mount.
Yep, the winch mount, and then this also mounts the front big bumper on it.
Yeah, I got the big bumper right here. Looks very mean. And then these are rock sliders, which are going to bolt directly to the frame. That's why I removed the step rails in the previous video. And then we also have a rear hatch. It took me a long time to find a hatch that wasn't rusted because mine's got a giant hole in the back for whatever reason. It's not color matched, so I'll have to paint it at some point, but at least I can get rid of that big eyesore. And if we're really feeling frisky at the end of this, I can drill some holes and put in a snorkel. Yes, a snorkel. So there is some light at the end of the tunnel. I'm getting close to this thing being done, and that's really exciting. So what are we going to do first, Wizard?
First, I'm going to finish up this wiring, and then I'll have you go ahead and get situated with your rock sliders. Once the wiring's done, then I can start getting the front bumper mounted up. And
okay. Yeah, I can't even lift that.
Maybe it takes me and Scott to get that thing.
Oh, okay. Oh, Scott, I've introduced Scott. Scott, come here. You've been in videos in the background. It's not Wizard Jr.
No.
That's Scott.
No, not Wizard Jr.
He helps the wizard. Anyway, back to the hoopty. Whatever this horrible DeVille is. Oh boy, what a mess.
It is a mess.
Anyway, okay, well, guess we'll get to work, or I'll just stand and watch because I can't do wiring. I'll electrocute myself. Now I have that airbox out, I can look into what it's going to take to replace this rear hatch. New one's under here. I started cutting. They trusted me with a knife. Yes. Oh, yeah. It's got gold badging. You knew you were cool in the 90s when you had gold lettering. Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
But, oh, look at that corner. They bent it all the way in.
Oh, my goodness.
And it's even worse. It's on every corner. They bent that one out and this one down.
Wow. What were they doing? Playing frisbee with it, or?
I don't know. What have we got here?
Look at this big lingam here.
Yeah, that's an anaconda wire.
It sure is.
That better not go all the way into the headliner.
I hope not.
Yeah, just
we'll
gotta
take these out.
Take the plastic off. Where does that wire go?
Looks like it probably goes down there.
Oh.
So that'll be the next Hoovie task. Remove all of these panels here.
You know I'm gonna break them.
No, I don't think you'll break them.
Got one side off. Come on. Whoa. Okay. Hey-yo. Yeah, I got it. God. Okay. Oh boy. Moment of truth, eh?
Yep, we're going to set it up there and then go from there. Yeah. If you want to help out with that, port goes through the middle down here.
The port goes through the middle.
The cord, the cable.
Oh, I see. Goes through the roller. Oh, okay. All right. God dang. Okay, go. Okay.
Okay.
Oh yeah.
And I got this part that can go on there.
I'm glad I left it black.
Yeah,
Yeah.
you were gonna paint it tan or gold.
Tan to match the car, and I think it works, especially with the sliders on there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, I'll have you grab here and here and just lean back on it.
Okay.
I'm just gonna test the hood.
I'm good at leaning.
Whoops.
Bonk.
That's not gonna work.
Yeah.
How do
Why
they
are these here?
Yeah, how do they expect you to close the hood? There's no amount of adjustment that can
What are these for?
fog lamps or
So they got to get grinded off, huh?
yeah, I guess so.
Maybe it's something that's different between Toyota and Lexus? Is your face okay? You didn't burn your beard off?
It feels tingly.
Yeah, there's definitely.
It's 4th of July.
All right. Maybe you should have wore a mask.
Maybe so.
That's like going to the dentist.
That's worse than the dentist.
Wow. So you're modifying the bracket so the grill will clear?
We can slide it forward just a little bit to clear.
I see. Okay. That is the most annoying sound in the world. Wonder if the Land Cruiser is a different spot for the factory antenna.
It had a boot that went in here or something, didn't it?
Yeah, I'm just looking at it because this is supposed to go flush with the body. You drill the hole for the antenna.
How's the antenna supposed to work?
It doesn't. That looks mean.
Looks like it means business.
Mean business. Now sliders, huh?
Sliders. With it, and I'll do the final.
A rock slider. And it'll also work as a running board.
Yeah.
You know, Doug DeMuro doesn't believe in running boards.
He doesn't?
He thinks that they're useless.
I don't like them because it gets your pants dirty when you step out of the car.
But what if you were short?
Then they'd be useful.
Yes, Doug's like 7 feet tall. Or actually, depends on the video. He says he's 6'4" and then 6'5" sometimes. Depends on his mood.
Depends on what quirks and features he has that day.
That's looking pretty mean, wizard.
Oh, you broke it.
How?
Oh, I pulled through that little sheet metal right there.
Oh, no.
I don't see how it. I'll have to figure something out.
Oh. Balls.
Well, I'll fix it. I'll figure something out.
Oh. Well, there still is the other side to do with the rock slider. We have that, I'll leave that. We're out of time for the day. And I got to get the spoiler off the old hatch and put it on the new one, but that can wait because the hatch still needs to be painted and repaired from that horrible shipping. And then there's fluids. This thing has 350,000 miles on it, and I definitely want to get a baseline on fresh fluids throughout the car. So we'll do a full maintenance on it. Well, I won't, probably Wizard will.
Somebody will.
I'm pretty tired.
Yeah.
I'm pretty tired.
Hard.
Then we'll clean this thing up and I'll have me
An expedition rig.
yes, a sweet buggy. And what's a good way to end this, Wizard? I'm figuring out, I'm having trouble ending things.
I don't know.
That was very helpful. Anyway, thank you for watching and stay tuned for more build updates. I probably won't do another one right after this. It'll be something else. I actually bought something It was an accident, I swear. I didn't mean to do it, but I bought something.